Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is basically use a function called Vstack to combine your data sets. Okay, so what I want to do first of all is just show you how we're going to combine. Again, I've got my January, February, and March down here. And basically what we're going to do is going to use Vstack first of all just to combine my January and February. Okay, so from my copy and paste, over here I have my little ones, my little checks that I'm going to use. Control here, Control C, my Vstack, bring them over here, over to there. And what I do is I begin by clicking here where I want the answer to go. I go up here to my formulas, and then I go to my lookup and reference, and then I go down till I get my Vstack. Now my Vstack just means that I kind of stack them one on top of each other. That's what I mean by the Vstack. There's also a Hstack, which means you can stack them up side by side. But let's say we're like Lego, putting one on top of the other. So it pops up with my little array function here. So my first array is going to be January. So I just come down here to January. And I just come up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to include the heading in this one. And I just do Control Shift arrow down. And there's my table. Now I then go down to array 2, go to February, go back up again. And this time I need to make sure that I'm not including the headings because I don't include the headings in it. Highlight my array here, Control Shift arrow down. And then I just click OK. Now when I come back to my Vstack, there it is. Okay. Now one thing I just want you to notice here is that I've got here, if I go, for example, a couple of things I want you to notice is, for example, the dates. I've lost the dates, so I need to highlight those two, go to home, and just change it to short date. Okay. And then the other thing I just need to do, right, so just change that date on it. I can see that it's kind of lost the conditional formatting as well. So what I might need to do is go, for example, here, go to January, click here, go to my format painter, go to my Vstack, and then just highlight this all the way down. Okay, so far so good. Now, once I've got this done, okay, so this is my Vstack. Just to say to you as well, when you click over here, okay, and this is the thing that makes it a bit different about the dynamic array, is that if you need to edit the formula, you have to edit it here in the top left-hand corner of your selection. If you click on another part of it, if you look up here, you'll see the formula has kind of gone dim. Okay, so the only place you can edit this Vstack formula is here. All right, so you need to do in the top left-hand corner. That's the only place it's going to be available to you. Okay. Now the other thing I want to do then is I just want to do a quick, let's say, check here. And I'm going to do with my little equals count A. Just go to my ID. And I just do Control Shift arrow down. I just do Control Shift arrow down again, so it does so it picks it up on it. And I can just do Control and Home. Brings me up again. So 404. Okay. And if I highlight my January and February, and if I go down here to sum, see that it's giving me 404. So that looks so far so good. Okay. Now I come along to March and I want to include it, so I go back to my Vstack here, to this one, go up to the top right hand corner, which is up here, click on it, and then what I need to do is I just come up here to my FX, and I just need to edit my formula. So just go to table 3, and then go to my array 3, go to March, go back up here to this one, go across, and then Control Shift arrow down, and then I click OK. Now you can see here this is updated. There, look at my check, that's updated, it's all matching. And let me have a quick look down here. Yeah, so then I need to use my little format painter just to copy down my conditional formatting. Okay. So that's basically all you need to do. All right, is when you need to update it, just update your, remember over here in the top right hand corner, just update it from there. All right. So hope you found this useful, and mind yourself and take care. Bye.